Hopefully it's fine. Hopefully it's fine. Wait, 10% frames dropped? Hello? I think we're good now. Are we good now? I think we're good now. Anyone could let me know. I don't understand. I don't know, internet just not been good lately. Let's finish this. Or check this again. I'm struggling to stream today. It's really been a struggle. Please don't have. Wait, why is it going? Keep arguing. 11%, bro. Hello? Is this stream okay? 18.1, 17, it keeps going up and down. I'm just... If I do this, hold on. Body BG color. Hold on, I really just want to get rid of that body BG color. Wait, body... Why do I have two body things here? I don't know if the stream is still up or not. It seems to be up. I hope it didn't restart the... I hope it didn't restart the thing. No, it did. It restarted the whole thing, so I'm gonna have to Alright. Is it up? Can it stay up? Can the stream stay up? Please? Bruh. Alright, hopefully it stays up. Alright, I don't know why it's doing that where I can't select this. Like, hello? And then, body BG color, really? Let's go down here. I don't really care. If it doesn't keep the background as black, then, I don't know. it stays at black. Ooh. That was pretty quick, honestly. I don't know about that one. And what? Did I not just... What? Did I not... I moved this. I don't understand. But this display none shouldn't be here. Do we have any 11111? In which I don't know why this runs so many times. But 919, so close that. Yeah, 919 is where we do the thing. $9.92. Oh no, it's 919. Bro, why are they yelling? If old layer equals 1, else do this. Wait, it's not gonna do it if it equals 1, it's never gonna change it. So how are we gonna do this? Let me think. Let me do this. If select a layer equals 1, layer selected layer 1 goes true. We're gonna set this to bar selected as false. And then here, if it's 1, no, if equals, if it is, we're gonna set it to display block. And then we're gonna, hopefully the stream didn't do the, alright, yeah, this stream's continued on again. Alright, that's good at least. If selected layer 1, and then if not, we're gonna say select equals false. Else, let's try this. Wait a second. Something's gonna, this is only if it's done. If it's not done, else, we're gonna say this equals true. Because we're gonna say it is true, and then when you click on something else, it's gonna be false. I don't do the bullshit co-has the state. They're knocking at my door. Alright, so if I click on this, click on this, it looks like it's going back to the first one. What the fuck do you need from me? Please believe. Alright, whatever. It's not loading yet. I got notifications on. Alright, did this load yet? No. Let's see what this is set to. Selected layer 1. This should be false. Should be. Yeah, it's false. But... okay, now I can click on it. But if it's false, it should display none. So... this is for, if selected layer 1. Did that? Bro, come on. I'm just trying to hit cancel. That was for that. It's selected layer, but... knocking at my door. You know what they're asking for. What do you do? Interesting, because it should have, if selected layer 1. Oh, okay, hold on. Display none. Alright, so this should be old layer. Wait, if selected layer 1, in which if Gif is done, if it's not done, selected layer 1 is true, in which if it's true, it's going to display the block of the old layer. Let's just do this. If this, we do this. No, if it's layer 1 is selected, layer 1 display block, else this. Old layers will display none. Because then selected layer 1 was false. This we do this. If is Gif, if layer 1 selected. So then down here, when if it's done, if it's done, if it's not done, well, let's just say this. If it's done, and selected layer equals 1, we set it to true, else it's false. Ooh, that was lightning. Alright, let's try this again. This should work. Ooh, that's thunder. So it doesn't... If I click on this... If I click on this... If I click on this... It's not doing anything. Because if I click on it... Well, that doesn't make sense. If I click on it and it's done... selected layer display block. Oh, okay, so if I click on it, this should be then old layer display none. Because up here is if selected layer 1. Bro, it's been raining for 4 hours. Insane. About to be floods out there, huh? Alright, this should work now, hopefully. Bro, what? Let me just say... Hold on. Oh, I shouldn't have closed it, because I needed something as an example to look at it. I need to look at something. Eevee's gonna move. These all have the class canvas created. So let's do this. If it's done, we're gonna say dot canvas created dot css and then display none. And then we're gonna say this. And then canvas selected is done. So if we say take out, yeah, is done should be the last part. So selected layer 1 shouldn't matter. I want to take this out. Is done should be, yeah, we do that first and then we click layers 1. So if is div and is done, all these are turned off, and then the first one is what we display. So that should make sense. Alright. So then if I click on this, yeah, it takes a second. But now I could draw on it, I believe. I think. What happened? Hello? Hello? I don't know what happened? Bro, the whole thing just crashed, I think. Let's try this again. Even this thing, the whole site's just crashed. Bro, my computer just be, you know, freezing up. Alright, hopefully that's just my computer, not the program. I'd much rather that be my computer than that be my program. So if I switch to this, say I want to add a mustache to it. Whole thing's fucking up. Bro, why do the frames get killed? Hello? Why did that take so long? And I clicked on the pen tool, but it's not even... What's killing it? Let me see. There's something in here that's killing it. I honestly don't know. Bro, my whole computer is just lagging. Bro, my whole computer is just fucking up. Hold on. I gotta restart the Brave browser or something. Something's messing up here. Nothing's loading. Alright, let's try this again. Let's search up. I mean, it doesn't matter. I'm not gonna put the music on. Because I think maybe that had maybe something to do with it. So let me try without like the thing. I don't. If it's. It shouldn't. I don't think it should be this though. No, because I can. But as soon as I click on the pen tool. No. Oh, but it doesn't. It's not updating this down here. What the fuck? Oh, I think that's all the frames. So I think what I messed up was load images here. I did something down here, I believe. What did I could have sworn I did something. Why did it do like 100 here? Or did it did 11? Images, images, images. Load images here. It did 11. Wait, what the hell? 781. Where RGGB. Alright, I don't know. Hold on. Images, images. Load images here. Let me hold on. Search this. Load. Oh wait, what did I do? Load images here. Animate. Settings. Hold on a second. Load. Okay. Load images here. Yeah, it's gonna be quiet right now because I'm. This. We don't need that, but in here though. Load images here, place images here, load. Append images, create element image. Source equals current layer X. Hmm. So what we should do is current layer X. We need the blank one again, I believe. Because does that mean we need, I don't know, does that mean we need to blank? I'll put the music back on because it's kind of weird without it. I just don't know why it was being weird. I'll put on futuristic because I know his music's safe. But I don't know about why is it like current layer dot length is greater than or equal for current layer dot length. What is, hold on a second. Current layer dot length. That's why I did it 12 times. Current layer dot length. Oh, I have it open. Current layer. Current layer dot length doesn't make sense. So let me check this. When I create this, let me look at what current layer length is. If we're appending the current layer length, that's the issue. Current layer there. But if I click on this, why does this quality look so bad on the canvas here? It's still one. The quality on this looks so bad on the canvas, but I think it's gonna look better. So if I click on this, let's see. I think what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to do some sketchy different things here. Alright, I think I know what we're gonna have to do. Because you never know who might pack heat. I think I know what I gotta do. So sort of like, since that's not loading. This wants to load, you know. I think we're gonna have to create blank canvases behind each one. So let me close this because it's not working right now, or like it's being so slow. So sort of like, I think, where do we have it? Is it in here? Sort of like how we have this. We're gonna have to do each one for each canvas layer, so that each one has a background to it. So like canvas 0, but we're gonna do canvas 01, canvas 02, canvas 03. In order for us to use the layer imaging for it instead. So what we're gonna have to do a lot of coding here, and that's why it doesn't work that well, because we need to have a blank canvas over it. So when we do create, we're gonna have to do this for new layers. That's for text. Everything is gonna stay the same except this. We are going to do this here. If is GIF, we're gonna do this. Canvas 0 next. We're gonna do this here. This is gonna, these are gonna be, this is for the image source. For the canvas though, where did we say this? Yeah, because we're gonna say this, and then we're gonna do 0, 1. So that way, on 0, 1, we append those. So we're gonna have 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, and so forth. And then 0, 1. So up on draw particles, I believe here, we're gonna have 0, 1. But we're gonna have to take this stuff out, honestly. I'm gonna take a lot of this. There's a lot of lines here that really don't need to be needed. Like, look at, there's so many lines here that I don't need here. So like this, and then first layer image, that's fine. This I think is fine. Actually, I don't know if we want to even do that. I don't think this matters. This doesn't matter. This is what matters here. Because when we do click for a new layer, let's go to new layer. Here. We want to do this. Everything else here is good. Everything's good. This is going to be for is Gif. Duplicate, select the layer 0. Is Gif. Honestly, I don't care about this. This could literally just be in here. That's fine. But, and then we're going to do an animation thing for it. So, it's going to be alright. So it's gonna do append if is Gif input 0, no display, that's fine. This was like, oh my god, seriously? Is the stream up? Is the stream up? Because, okay, on my phone seems to be having trouble loading it. The phone is being strange. Yeah, my phone is having hella trouble loading it. What the hell? Let me change the connection on my phone. Alright, let me keep that. If it's, hopefully it doesn't have any issues connecting now. This stream has been an abysmal. So like this, we want to do that. Take this out. Keep it like the plus like that. Then we want to go to create, which is here. If is Gif, we're gonna do this. Canvas 0, do this. So that way, it does it normally. But, I think we also just want to do this also. So I don't think this matters. Oh, if is Gif matters. So let's just do this. Insert this here. Else, let's say else if is Gif. Else. So it does this also. Let's see how this works. it creates all the layers, but where's all the EVs? That's what I'm looking for. Oh wait, there's an error here. 194. 194 right here. Canvas 01 because it doesn't create it on the beginning. So we gotta do that, which I'm not exactly sure where it is. Alright, is it because it creates canvas? We have canvas 1 already, so we gotta put canvas 01 on there. Yeah, we already have canvas 1. So because of that, let me just create canvas 01. So let's try that. This way, I think this will speed up the optimization for it and be a lot quicker. But the background doesn't seem to be showing because we have canvas 01, which is display none. So that's the issue. Canvas 01, display none. So we want to just say in here display, hold on, it was in change layers, I know that. Image change, update layout, change layers. So we want to do is this canvas 0 selected layer. We want to do that. Canvas created. I don't know if we want to do canvas created. I think we want to do because it's gonna copy this. So let's just do this. If is done, display none. But this should be old layer. Hopefully that works. Oh, and then we could take off the... Okay, there's that. But we could take off the other thing too. The checkboxes. So for checked, where is it? Checked. Checkbox of this. Is it input? Yeah, it's this. Go to church. We'll keep that there just in case we need it. So this way, this should be good now. And then, let me see, hopefully. It didn't do it on the... It's because I believe... Here. I'm gonna have to make a YouTube video today. Does it, hold on. There's 1,000 issues. 952. 952. 952. Canvas selected layer. What is this for? How's it there 1,000 issues with it? Cannot get context of this. What is going on here? There's some. Say something. Canvas 0304. Oh, it's not. Okay, hold on. It's not doing the thing. Create. Where's the new layers? You see, we gotta do this. Cause wait, did it do it twice? 01, 02, 04. So it's doing it twice apparently. In which it shouldn't be. New canvas. Oh, okay, so new canvas, fill. Pen canvas, let's take that too. So like that. So this should be good now. Hopefully. We will hope. There is a thing that I sort of want to do, but I'm not exactly sure. So let's look at this. Yeah, look, so 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. So now if I click on, say, this, should switch to that layer. It didn't, did it? Didn't look like it. So 02, 01 did display none. Yeah, 05 did display block, but all the other ones didn't. So I think we're gonna have to add our own class to them. So what we're gonna do, I think, is this. We're gonna say, where is it? Class. We're gonna say for gifs. And then in here, when we, was it new layers? What do we actually do here? New canvas, canvas created, that's here. So then we do, when we append it, then we gotta do this. Can 0 plus next dot add class, and then for gifs, like that. Now when we do the click, when we switch layers down here, we need to do this. Where is it? This here. So instead of this, we need to do this class for gifs display none, this display block. Did this come on close? So that way, and then in terms of the GIF, we still haven't, like, for the how are we gonna do this, or how am I gonna explain this? Whoa, you freaking dope, Alright, so for gifs, display none. Alright, so for 0, 1, it's not doing it. That has to do with the particles up here. Can 1. Can 01. Okay. Can 01. I forgot where I was going. That doesn't make this should So if I go to here and run this. What if at the end of all this, if is done, let's say, if is done, we do this. Okay, there. Okay. So if I click on this, its display is block. If I click on this, 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 why is it takes forever to load, and that's the issue that I'm having trouble understanding, because it's taking forever to load, and which I don't understand. Even this, what? Hello? The whole thing is lagging like crazy. That's the one thing I don't understand about this. What is it doing? Is it because of this? I set timeout 400. Let me set this thing maybe 600. So this, we don't need this. We don't need this. I don't draw particles. It runs this, and then it runs this. Why are they yelling out there? Hello? You're in the same room. Why are you yelling? What? Yo, he said, the dude in the video said the N-word. Alright, let me try this again. Alright, so if I do this, even clicking on this takes forever. There's an issue with the time. Let me try this. If I took this out, and put this in here, set timeout for 3 milliseconds. I don't think it'll work, but if it does, then hell. Yeah, it didn't work because I don't think my GIF. Oh no, it is defined. Huh. Oh, but huh. What's going on here? Click handler. Undefined does not conform when converting to hexadecimal. But now the whole thing is broken here. I don't. Let me try this. Hold on. Instead of this, if we did this, if this GIF is true, we create the background. If upload on image, if is GIF is true, and then at the end of all this, at the end of this, we're gonna say this. If at the end of all this, if is done. Let's try that. You better have bars. Can I read frames of undefined? Alright. Because this is doing this. If we do if I do this instead, let's put like a thing there, and then if I say set timeout, coast. If I took this one off, So why is it doing 0, 1? It's not working. So if I switch to this, I switch to this. It's got to do with changing layers. Oh, I know why. It's I think it's because it's reapplying display none to all of them, right? Where is it? Change layers. Where's the... Here. If it's... So it's reapplying the display none for all of them. So... Shit. I think we gotta do... how do we... let me see JavaScript timer. Alright, so we're gonna do this, and then we're gonna do this. And then instead of this, we're just gonna do console.log. The time was like that. Bro, close the thing. Hello? Hey, it stopped raining. Bro, hello? Now it doesn't want to work with the image thing because I added a timer to it. Hello? It's like, oh. So look at this. Time was this, and then it took this. So if I clear this and I go to, say, layer 2, look at this. Why? For what reason? Why is it... Hello? Why? It runs like a million times, and that's why it runs... If I got rid of this, how quick does it go? We will see how quick it is if I got rid of that. Look at this time. Alright, so that's that. But if I click this... Bro, why is the time so long? If on click, let me try one click. It should just run once. Why? 9:36. What? Change layers. What? For each layer images, change layers. This is for delete layers, okay. When we change layers for this, each layer listener, we change layers. I feel like we should just do is this is add a oh fuck, I don't have it open. Layer event listener to each one. Because I think update layer, this is what it's doing. I know why. For it's building up. This is why. We only need to run this once. Update layer listeners. And which update layer listeners. Which runs here. Change layers. Every time we run this, it's running. It's running this again. So, I think what we should do is maybe change this update layout delete. What is this? Hello? New layers is update layer listeners. Interesting. Because I'm pretty sure it just said update layout. It changed layers that runs it. So if we are doing this, update layer listeners, oh wait, this, I don't think we need this at all. Fell apart. Long days, long nights, feeling underappreciated, but that is alright. I'm forced to turn my back and lift my head. A couple tears had to be shed. My past is blocking up my vision, so it's hard to look ahead. I gotta keep focused. False mode is pushing me to. Alright, so if I click on this, so it doesn't have a layer listener to begin with because of this, but update layer listeners should only run once. So I think from array from layer images, we only need this to run once. For each change layers, elements 2. We're gonna do this. We're gonna say. Hold on. We're gonna do something here. Creating a special event attribute for an element when the listener is attached, then checking if it exists. If it exists, if element get attribute listener does not equal true. So let's do this. Hold on. I'm kind of interested in this real quick. And checking it for this. So we have I assume layers 2. So if we did this, layers 2 console.log, and then we did this. Get attribute. Okay. It says get attribute of null. Oh wait, layers 2. Element has a so wait, if element dot get attribute listener equals true. Oh no. Console.log true. Wait a second. Clear console history. Oh fuck, then I... Damn it. I want to do var get element of... The hell is it called? Layers 2. If it equals true, console.log true. Alright, then let's try something else. Element 2. Layers 2. Maybe... So it's false. Get attribute listener. Get event listener. So get event listeners of layers 2. So if it equals true, so let's do this. For var x equals 0, x less than layer images dot length x plus plus. Let's say if get listeners of layers plus x plus 1, we'll do this. We'll add an event listener. So, hold on. Oh wait. We literally just had it here. So we just do this here. So that way, if it'll just add an event listener here to this one, to layers plus x for change layers. So let me just look at this. So console.log x. So that, because the reason it's doing that is because it kept adding event listeners onto it. Like, it kept adding them. So it would run so many times. But I think this time it'll fix it. Get event listeners is not defined. Hello? Get event listeners. This isn't thing. Because the way I did it was, wait, get event listeners. What? Get event listeners layers 2. Why does it say get event listeners? I spell it wrong? If get event... Bro, what? This doesn't make sense. If get event listeners layers... It says it's not defined. Let me see what this is for. Get event listeners is not defined. Oh, it says it. Okay. It says you can't. So let me see if there's a way to maybe remove JavaScript, remove listeners to... If we could just do this, instead of this, we take this out. If we're adding an event listener here, let's just remove them. Indeed, also only would not work for listeners registered with data. Okay. So this page didn't help at all. There's a remove event listener. Okay, so this should do this. My element dot remove event listener. Click change layers, and then I don't know. Now consider each of these calls. So let's try this. It's raining again. This happened earlier when I said it wasn't raining. It's still raining. So if I click on this, the time was... Look at this, look at this, I did it, it's better. It's a lot better now. So we just needed to get rid of this. In terms of the first one, I don't know where the first one is. And I don't know why, this doesn't click. If is done. Where the hell is done? Is done. Where does the... Oh, I think this is 0-1. Wait, hold on. This I think we could do in here again. So I think we could do literally just do like this. I don't know how fast we can do it though. If we can do it quicker, then I'll try. But it's a good thing I noticed that the time length thing. Optimization to the max. Mister, I had to do it. It didn't do the... Alright, hold on. So it does do the first one. It should click on it though. Alright. Yeah, look at it. I'm gonna do it so like when we play it and all, it's gonna be different. So we should be able to now. Should be able to. What happened here? How come I can't see it? Let's see. So if we're on the first layer, does this have to do with the Z index thing? No. Does it? We're on the first layer. Oh wait. I'm taking forever to load. Hello? What layer is it on? What's it called? This pen outline. Canvas selected layer, mouse move. Was it all? Secret wrapping. Shut the fuck up. Shit. Shut the fuck up. How come it's so slow? Look at this. What the fuck? And why did it do this? So we also gotta, looks like we also gotta do another thing here. Document for each what? For each layer images? Get elements for each one. Alright, so so let's try this. For each I don't know if it's click. I guess it is. So for each listener, and for each change view. So let me try that. What the hell? Where's my Eevee? So if I go to here, something's not working here. Oh, look at this. So if I click this, I don't know what this time is in reference to. Like these look like big timestamps, but if I click this, I don't see my outline. Oh wait, what's that? So for Canvas 11. I think I know why. So display none. So okay. So all the other ones gotta be disabled as well, so when we do here, we displayed this, but then all the other ones also gotta be gone too. So all the ones that don't have it should also be... Oh, I guess it would be canvas created then. So we could just do canvas created. That shouldn't be an ID, that should be a class. Because that should then be where our thing is. Yeah, there it is. Okay, now we gotta fix this. No way, no way. No way, no way. No way, no way. It's gotta be this. What is... It's one of these global variables. Let me look at it. It did, let's actually go through this whole script. From top to bottom. This, correct? This is correct. This is correct. So I believe if I do this, but I go to here. What? Oh wait, if I go to here, and then I go to here, where is it? And why is this doing... Like, look at this length, time length here. I feel like we could easily fix that. Merge layers, that's fine. We're not gonna say, so if it's a GIF, we're not gonna say merge layers. We're gonna do the off thing. Let's set the opacity. No way, no way. Do I take days off? No way, no way. So if is GIF equals true, we're gonna say this. We are going to set merge layers ID merge layers dot off, and then we're gonna say merge layers dot CSS opacity whatever, and then same thing with new layers. No, new layers will be fine. New layers will be fine. Draw particles. This is a mess and a half in here, but you know, somewhat it works. I'm gonna let it click twice because for some reason alright, let's see. Is GIF load is done, set timeout this. This. Let's do this. So wait, that's create, where's draw? Draw is, blur is all that. If we do blur, how does blur work on here? I'm actually, interested. So blur doesn't really work. How does it work? Hello? The blur tool, oh. It set it to black. Alright, we're probably gonna have to fix that. For the blur tool. New layers, so let's do this. New layers is good here. Backup, that's all good. Duplicate, that's all good. This? Alright, yeah, is GIF, yeah. This is for all new layer stuff, so this is all good. What are they doing out there? It's so fucking annoying. And then create, everything here should be good. And then selected image function, yeah, this is all good. The update layer listeners, it removes it, so this is all good here. This I don't think is used anymore. This adds an event listener, but let me also remove it just in case. So that way, it isn't so damn annoying. And then
told me he was talking, I couldn't believe it. I'm happy for you niggas dreaming, I hope you achieve it. It would have been cool if that's the way I was treated, but nobody showed me love.
layers.
I started speaking, so I left. Got a buzz elsewhere.
Okay, whatever. And then for the delete, everything here should be good.
I let my fans prove it, and speaking of prove it, I included you in that. So it's kind of whack for you to miss me. I know you get emotional, just text me if you miss me. Damn, that's kind of weird. This nigga just.
Let me just double check. They're all turned on because of the thing, so his eye. Change view. I don't exactly know what Oh, this is for the checkbox. Okay. Change layers. I'm just gonna get rid of some of this white space here. So this is for change layers, which is fine, but the other thing is where's the change layers? Update layout. This is what we need here. This here takes forever. So let me do remove event listener. We do that. We add this. Class. Oh, you can do. I don't know that. I wrote this code. I forgot about this. All right. When we do mouse up and out, we could take. Ooh shit! 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 Get pixel positions, which is in blur. In blur. I'm gonna after probably okay, hold on. Let me just we gotta check for event listeners because a lot of event listeners make it slower if they aren't removed. Or they aren't removed prior. I'm looking for the canvas thing on here. Ooh shit, ooh shit, ooh shit. Canvas element 00. So this is what we need to do. All blur positions length here. How's this gonna work here now? It's gonna be like this. Canvas 0 plus selected layer. Apply blur. Canvas. Is that? I guess that applies to blur. I'm not exactly sure if it's applying the blur to blur and delete. What?
snap on the tracks where rap's my religion. You know I got girls on my phone saying the same thing. These women became clones. All up on my neck, these women is like cologne. Say women in my machine, they talk to me through a tone. Talk to me through a text, they talk to me through
I don't know if that was the only thing that I needed to change up there. Because apply blur goes to the canvas that we're on. Because we're gonna do something later with it. In terms of the drawing though, draw. When we do mouse move, is it on this? I don't know, hold on.
How can we do this? How can we all get the money like you did? How can we capitalize off the music? I ignore the cause and feel bad that I do it. I be at the pad making
it doesn't move with it, which I feel like has to do with this.
I don't try to hide it, it always be demonstrated. People in my state don't know me, but they be hating. They want me to put them on. I tell them the steps I'm taking. Let them open shows and introduce them to fans. Let them give the hugs and let them go shake the hands.
We gotta change it to if it's 0, 1. So we gotta change all that to if it's blurred. Because if it's blurred, then it doesn't matter. Or if it's GIF. If it's not a GIF, then it doesn't matter. But we're gonna check all that in a minute. Something happened. And I can sense it. Yeah, I went back to the beginning here. But for some reason, canvas 1, if I say display none on it, I can easily see all these got display none, I believe. As they should. So it should be that, and then if I do, let me check something. Yeah, see, sometimes it doesn't work. So if we say display none, then we say background color white. There's nothing there I can do. So if I do this and then say this, but then I say display no, it still doesn't work. Mouse move on the selected canvas here. So if I move it, it's not. See, it doesn't do anything here. Which is why I feel like something here is not working. So what I'm gonna do is this. Is when we click on it, we do mouse move. So on the pen tool, we do this. And then I still want to figure out why the first one, it doesn't work. So on the first, Frank, y'all people suck. Please quit rapping. Shut the fuck up.
They say a nigga cocky, you goddamn skippy, cause can't nobody stop me. Rapping ain't a hobby, you need a ticket to watch me. Put a value on yourself, I swear my lyrics is not free. Albums, mixtapes, snapbacks, tees, ringtones, signing and double D's.
Where the other ones at?
You will never be on the shit that I'm on. They call me futuristic, so I'm in a different time zone. I call a girl to come and give me head until her mind's gone. She wanna fuck, I'm straight off that, she wet, she
where are all the other ones at?
Yeah, and that's the realest shit I ever said. Kill me if you wanna, my music here, so I'm never dead. And that's the truth, not a lie. How I feel about it is futuristic or die.
Oh, it's right here. The coldest bars, the coldest bars, the coldest bars. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, so if it's a bigger GIF, then it's gonna take a longer time. Bruh, how come I can't, when I click on it, nothing happens? Please quit rapping. Shut the fuck up. Value of null, 22. What?
You don't wanna know what it's like. You ain't never had these problems. You ain't never
Let's do this.
but felt like you hit rock bottom. You ain't never gained exposure, but lost your composure. Went back home on the road for some closure. Talk to your girl, let her know that it's over, cause too many hoes trying to go got chosen. You ain't never had these funds, lived this life, never had this fun. But dysfunction from the functions and a tongue twist spit hit like a kid with a gun. A kid with a gun used to sit there and bum. Got a tweet from his friend what he did after lunch. Took his own life, how I almost did mine. He was playing my song when it's all said and done. You ain't had the fam in your pocket. Had to be a man before I got
Alright, there, that's better.
the profit. Sue for some shit you didn't
But it still shouldn't be doing this. That's the last thing we need to fix. What did I get? Let me see why. When I know which one is that. It's update layout. And then with blur, we gotta do. Well, let me check with blur. If I blurred this, bruh, it's taking forever. What the hell? Oh, it did blur it. Okay. So if I blurred whatever this is, but it is taking forever. I don't know. No, it didn't. Oh, there it is. Yeah, that took forever. I don't know why, but it worked. But we gotta change this. This is good. And then apply blur. It applies it to the background. So if I went to this layer, or this one, yeah, I don't see the mouse thing anymore. Oh, it's up there actually. So wait, if I click on the pen tool, why is it that color? I never clicked on what? That's the last thing I think I need to fix there. But let me go back to enable buttons. We for sure have to do the thing for the blur. Like what we did here, we definitely have to do for the blur. So whatever we have down here for the blur, we definitely have to put in there. And then what other one, the eraser we gotta do. I don't think the selection tool needs anything. Yeah, the eraser tool. So we have that, and then the other thing for when we click down, it should not be changing the color. So color, I don't know what we're in the wrong script. It equals this. If hex color does not equal anything, this equals color selected. Hex color, look, if I click this, well, I can't draw. What? Wait, if I pick a different layer, I can't draw on it? So like if I pick this layer, and then I click draw, bruh, why is it off by like, what? Where is it? Did we want this, or did we want... Mouse move on canvas. Div size, pen size divided by 2. Oh, okay. And then, but if I change layers and I click on it. But wait, when I click down, it's not drawing. So, I can't do this because then it'll become an infinite loop. Why does it do... If I click this, I click this, I click this. Let me do this for... Let me try adding this to when I change layers. So when I change layers, let me try, if I add this, will that help its, how it does? Alright, so like this. Wait, there's errors. Can I read property of value of null? If is gif and is done. There's 4 errors still. Property none. Because I thought is done is supposed to be... Let's just say is done too. So we go back to global variables. And then at the end of, where is it? Here. At the end of all this, like that. So that way it's done, it will... Bro, can they shut the fuck up out there? Oh my god, you aren't... They think they're funny because they're talking loud. Like, bro, you're right next to each other. Shut the fuck up. Yeah, that's disabled. You can't click that. No errors on this time, but wait, there are errors now. Now read property value of null 930. 930 is this? What? What do you mean? Oh, hold on. Do. I don't know, man. I'm thinking it's like with my YouTube channel and all, I don't know what I'm gonna do. There's the Eevee. Okay, so if I click this. But if I click this, I can't draw. There's no listener for on mouse down. But I also want to do if wait. Wait, what? Zone, no flex, zone. They know better. They know better. There's no mouse down event for it, so when we click on this, what the hell do we usually... how does it... Wait, does it create another one? No, it has only one pen outline. Okay. How does it know when to draw? Or, oh, is it mode equals... What is mode right now? No, mode equals pen. But when I click down... No flex, zone. No flex, zone. They know better. They know... Wait, okay, so hold on. Find X, Y. Here. No flex, zone. No flex, zone. They know better. They know better. Create. So we need to add these event listeners again when we do the other thing. So when we do change layers, change layers is done. It's all this. They know better. No flex zone. We don't have canvas defined. Well, we can easily. We just say var canvas equals document dot get element by ID canvas plus selected layer. What am I missing here? Alright, let's try this. I want it, I get it. I want it, I get it. Alright, where's my Eevee? What y'all do to my Eevee? Why does it do that? I don't... Like, I don't get that, like, at all. It's supposed... It's... Does it not understand what I'm trying to do? See, I don't... I don't get it. It just... I don't get it. I don't... Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I don't... Let me see if there's something I can do about it. Like this...
I just heard a nigga bumping that old shit. Yeah. Who the fuck you think you talking to? It's futuristic, bitch. These rappers nowadays is all sweeter than pixie sticks. They too concerned about an insta pick and getting rich. I built it with my people is who I'm sticking with. The same nigga that's been spitting the truth. Chasing down a dream, I've been the living proof. I've been with kids that shoot, that don't make you switch your mood. I've been the kid that was fighting and
hello? Did it re-indent the line?
Everybody acting
I guess
like they
it
know
did.
me now. And it's a function whenever that boy come roam to town. I hold it down, a little nigga with the coldest style. Pouring shots to thoughts at the party who got an open mouth. I can't remember the days when I didn't drink. Sometimes I'm getting faded just so I don't gotta think. They love me for everything that I teach. My lyrics that hit them deep, that bring a fiend to their knees. That's my old shit. I ain't never gonna change, but that other shit is lame.
Now,
Bumping on my old shit.
I click this.
I mean, it's kinda cool,
This.
I got something to
Because these are the same, sort of. But if I do this,
Wait until you hear all of my new hits.
do this.
Tripping off my old shit. Motherfucker, you don't know shit. That's my old shit. This last year was hella crazy, right? I'm surprised I ain't got a baby from all of these ladies. I came and laid the pipe.
Why is it doing this though?
Never stayed the night. A crazy life. A plane I catch is on to the
But,
next and I see my
hold on.
name in lights. It go F-U-T. You know the rest.
Oh, yeah, that makes sense. That's supposed to be like that. Because if I did, went to here, Yeah, that's right. That's correct. And then I don't know if the delete works yet. So if we hit delete, does it delete? No, it doesn't delete 3. So when we go to delete,
I'm gifted like it's Christmas Day. My new shit is about to be the only shit you play. Man, that's my old shit. I ain't never gonna change. But that other shit is lame. Man, you bumping on my old shit. I mean, it's kinda cool, but I got something to prove, motherfucker. That's my old shit.
where the hell is delete?
Wait until you hear all of my new hits. You tripping off my old shit. I got some cold
Canvas,
shit. I got some old shit.
deleting layer number.
Man, you bumping all that old shit. I got some new shit. I really do this. Man, you listen to my old shit.
Because delete has to do the same thing for all the GIFs as well.
Damn, bro, you bumping all that old shit.
So layer number this, delete, wait,
You know I built the booth quick.
layer.
That old shit. That's some cold shit, but this is all
Everything's
my new
good
shit,
here.
nigga.
Where's the canvases stuff?
Fucking fire, bitch.
Da-da-da. Here. So we gotta do if is GIF like that, and then music died. Hello. And then we also gotta do the other thing here. So for the canvases, where do we rename them? Is it this? If is GIF. Because that just changes everything else. Everything else seems fine here. In terms of this down here, that's for update layout, in which update layout, it runs here, and which is here. Current layer dot length. Current layer is 4. Current layer dot length though. What is it? Current layer dot length. Current layer dot length is greater than 0. Mouse up. Current layer. But current layer dot. I'm trying to figure out why the dot length is increasing. Update layout. If it equals 0, alright, this is. If x is less than that. I don't. Let me try this again. Something here doesn't make sense. What the hell did this person respond with? Oh, this stream. Wait. Oh, is it because I can see it? Hold on. Let me check something. Did my stream earlier go live? And there goes the lightning thing. No, my stream earlier didn't go live.
It's as simple as that. I get so much enjoyment from
on YouTube. It didn't go live because YouTube honed me. But YouTube was supposed to let me know.
I knew that I was not going to be stopped. Because at the age of 18, this was my life.
YouTube never. I don't know. It looked like it has 1 like on it. I don't know who saw it, but
Even if you want to spend the
yeah.
time, you can't. Because you have other things. You have other responsibilities that are taking you away from it.
I'm gonna use the restroom, so BRB.
So I already won.
Texting my phone that you miss me. I'm busy, I ain't even see him yet. Remember that moment you kissed me? Out of nowhere, I ain't even meet you yet. We used to kick it and we used to party. Sometimes we would lay up, not do a thing. Sometimes we fight about nothing. You tell me to leave, I came right back like boomerangs. Now we can't meet without getting stopped. And now I can't sleep cause I'm on the clock. And now you can't reach me all of the time. I'm at work, you think that I'm somewhere I'm not. And you always kind of been insecure. I always did more just so you were sure. Now I can't be there to show you, so I'm copping things in the past we couldn't afford. I followed my aspirations. That led to more obligations and less conversation and more invitations where my response always is sorry, can't make it. I know that you hate it with all these temptations you know that I'm faced with, but all I can say is I still feel the same. But when you see a chance, baby, you gotta take it. I know I'm not always around. I know sometimes I can't be found. I'm lost in a world of my own. It's out of control, and everyone knows. I can't go back now. We can't go back now. Leave that in the background. You know that we can't go back now. Get back to you as soon as possible. At this age, it's hard to be responsible. With all of these obstacles I've been through, trying to show you that I still got time for you. Now you've been tripping when nothing's wrong, acting like we ain't have something strong. You used to sit in the studio, watch me, you probably see me do 100 songs. I've been gone, but I do that for both of us. You should be happy when these people notice us. Line up in shows for us, they do the most for us. Remember them days when we used to be broke as fuck? We should be celebrating. It seemed like you jealous of what I'm making. It seemed like you rather me still be at home at my mother's place, stuck in that town with a ton of hate. Never thought we would grow up and grow apart. Never thought my two loves would get pulled apart. Never thought I would have to choose between the girl in my bed and what drove me from the start. Never thought I would get to my dreams and it wouldn't be what it seems. The fame overwhelming and shoot it I need, but you can't deal with everything that it brings. Damn. I know I'm not always around. I know sometimes I can't be found. I'm lost in a world of my own. It's out of control, and everyone knows. I can't go back now. We can't go back now. Leave that in the background. You know that we can't go back now. I can't go back, can't go back now. I can't go back, can't go back now. I can't go back, can't go back now. I know I'm not always around. I know sometimes I can't be found. I'm lost in a world of my own. It's out of control, and everyone knows. I can't go back now. We can't go back now. Leave that in the background. You know that we can't go back now.
I'm back.
Yeah, skid row, been high, been low, been hot, been cold, been rich, been broke, skid row,
Hey, alright, I'm back.
exposed, skid row, skid row, skid row, skid row.
I'll figure out the YouTube stuff and tonight. I don't know what word I'm checking here, but they're being so annoying out there. Next semester, I'm gonna tell them, hey, at least one person maximum. Either that or go to a common area. This shit is so annoying. Cursor default, whatever. So if I do this, oh, I was gonna look at the length. All right, hold on. What the fuck are they doing out there? Current layer dot length 1. That dot? What the fuck? What? If current layer is less than current layer dot length, x plus plus. What? That doesn't make sense because let me check something here. Bro, what? Oh, that should be removed. Hello? What is this? Is it gonna... Bro, what the hell? Dot current layer dot... What is current... Current layer equals this? Equals window.next. Wait. If it's not a duplicate, push canvas image. Well, that... Equals window layer. Bro, that doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense. Why is the... Alright, let's close this. Let's close this. Resets, whatever. Let's do find in folder. Let's find this. Current layer equals this. Backup for another tool. This should never run. But it should never run. I'm gonna just delete this. I honestly don't need it. Alright, far current layer is this. Blur, wait, blur current layer equals this. Alright. Current layer equals window, blah blah blah. Yeah, this should all be good now. I don't know why current layer.push is not a function. When did current layer become these layers? What? One, two, three, four, five, merge. It's when I merge. Which, pretty sure we have a whole page for it in here. Current layer equals this. Equals window equals next to. Push is not a function inside of layers. 232. So 232. What is... What is console.log current layer? When we do that, that doesn't make sense. We go crazy, then I'm motherfucker. Oh, I did not want that. Crazy then a motherfucker. Damn crazy then a motherfucker. I'm probably gonna stream for another 2 hours. Oh, it stopped raining also. Alright, and then new layer. New layer. Then merge. And it becomes these layers, in which doesn't make sense. So at what point does it become at what point does it become a thing? I'm so crazy, so crazy, I'm so crazy, so crazy, I'm so crazy, so crazy. Bro. Bro, why are they yelling? They're laughing out there. Like, bro, what's so funny? You're right next to each other. Shut the fuck up. And 104. 104 is still good. It's this. I have a feeling, so where's my thing here? I have a feeling it's gonna be like right here. Because it says that 209, it also becomes an issue. So... I'm crazy than a motherfucker. Crazy than a motherfucker. I'm gonna put it here, and then also maybe here. Alright, let's try this again. One, two, three. And 196 and 199. So 196, 199. So we could get rid of these. And then, so we know that it has to be one of these. So let's see which one it is. Is it just this 180, 196? Oh, because I took out lines. So one of these is changing it. We're gonna see which one. Fur it, happy fur it. Merge 191 to 193. It's this. What does this do? Current layer equals window. Alright, so we're gonna have to console.log current layer. Which one is it? One, two, three. It's same thing right at 1047. So it has to do with this. Window layer selected layer. Console.log selected layer. Window. So at 1047 it changed. So I don't exactly get which current layer. This Windows selected layer. I don't exactly get it. So why does this font look smaller? One, two, three. So at 1044. And then selected layers 2. So what the heck was... the heck's in my window? Layer selected should be 3, but it didn't... when it merged layers, it didn't redo the thing. The selected layer is 2, which is why this didn't work. So it's because something's wrong in here. Windows didn't get renamed for some reason. We deleted it and then we renamed it to if it's +1. Is it does one, two. Oh, that's the same one. Three. Alright, and then if I do this, will it mess it up? Alright, it doesn't mess anything up. If I just do a new layer, and I do this, does it mess anything up? But if I do this, so I do this, and then I do a new layer here, but I don't want to merge this. Will that mess up the numbering? One, two, three. It doesn't mess up any numbering. So if I do this, and then say I want to do these two layers, it fucks everything up. It, what did it do? It did 1 and 3. Alright, hold on. Let's delete this. This shouldn't even be here. Hello? That's gonna be fixed. That's gotta be fixed now. Let me think of this logically. So, if I do this, this, and this. If I merge these two here, well, let's make it more discrete. So if I go to here, let's say we add this line here. If we merge that, it fucks it all up. If I put this back in there, does that do anything different? One, two, three. Alright, so if I do this and that, nah, it still fucks it up. And then current layer just stays like that, but if I do this, then current layer becomes fucked up. So this just gotta be like that. But I need to think of the way it goes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we delete, we're merging 1 and 3. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. If we are merging 2 and 4, 2 and 4, I I have a feeling that this worked before I changed something here. If I merge 2 and 4, let me see here. 2 and 4. If it does not equal -1, but the issue is this. We're splicing this, but the issue is when we splice index of this, index of 1, if 1 is in there, we splice 1 out, which 1 would always be at 0. Which doesn't matter then. So merging these layers dot length would be 2. Hey, thanks for the host. I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you, Garrett. Alright, so this would be, I'm about to go live, so hey, I appreciate it. Good luck. Length would be 2. Selected campus would be merging these layers X. Yeah, I'm trying to stream a lot more. What's wrong with this? Yeah, I'm trying to stream a lot more, even with school. This summer might be different though, because my internship. This length, draw image, remove these. Not sure what you said, sort of. Yeah, I said, I'm streaming a lot more now, but when the summer happens, because I have an internship, I might not be streaming as much. I'm not sure yet. I'll have to see what my internship schedule looks like. But it's mainly now because I got like a lot more time on the weekends. On the weekdays, I primarily do homework and other stuff. On the weekends, I pretty much have the whole day. So I do the... What are you using? I use a Streamlabs OBS. Slobs. I did have a... Streamlabs has been mainly my primary one. But I tried a different one and it didn't really work that well. So I went back to Streamlabs. That was like a few months ago. The Streamlabs has been decent solo. Layer current position. If count. I don't understand why this isn't working. It is. You paying for it? So I did it. I will, like, this summer, like, once I start getting paid, I'll start paying for it. Because, there's a few things that I want to do. Like, I do want to do the double streaming on YouTube and on Twitch. I do want to try doing that. I think that'll be fun. And then there's a lot of other things. Just pay for monthly. I'll see. It yeah, I was gonna say yearly. I was gonna say yearly usually is cheaper. They usually do like $20 off. It's 20. They save you. Yeah, it's all good. Uh. This isn't. Yeah, I'll see. I mean, even then, 150 isn't that much for a year. It depends on how often I use it. I'll have to see when my summer internship starts. I know for the weekends I'll definitely be streaming a lot more during the summer. But on the weekdays, maybe at night. It depends how work is. Literally nothing. I don't understand this PC work a lot. I have a laptop. I'm gonna get a PC. Bruh, what? I'm gonna get a PC this either this year or next year. It depends on how much power I start going to need for programming. Because my laptop right now, it's decent, but I might need to get another one. My internship, they give me a laptop, so I should be getting another laptop in about 2-3 weeks, maybe. But that's for work. But I should be able to get a PC. Because what I wanted to do is I wanted to get a PC before, or not before, but like when I do move, because I have one more year left of school, and I can't wait to get it done. But with once I get it done, if I do get the job from the internship, I'll know by the end of like this year towards September. But if I do get the job, then I'll be going to San Jose, California. And so what I wanted to do was wait until I moved there before getting a PC, because I don't want to get a PC and then have to move it all. But because I would say my room at my house, like at my parents' house, there's not very much room for a PC in there. It's gonna be like I literally have a scuffed gaming chair. Like it's just bad. I haven't. This doesn't make so. With this code, yeah. But when I get a PC, because my internship pays very well, and no, I haven't seen your setup. I recently got this new mic. Oh, let me show. I got this new mic. I still have a Blue Yeti, but this mic is, this mic was $60, and I was like, I'ma get it. Yeah, this $60 for this mic, and I was like, that's insane. I was like, that's so cheap. I only pay. Apparently, I had credit on my Amazon account, so I only paid like $12 also. So I only paid $12 because I had like $38 on credit. Maybe a gift card or something. I don't remember. Hyper Solo Cast. I don't know what brand this is. It's just a pretty standard mic. No, there's not really any brand on it, I would say. But it's got a stand, so I can put it up here and talk. It's my friends, they told me that compared to the Blue Yeti, it's I mean it's pretty much sounds the same, which is good. Yeah, uh, it'll probably be this summer. Like once I start getting paid, I'm gonna start going on a shopping spree. Cause there's a lot of stuff I need to start getting. Like I would love, I need to get a good pair of like I need to get a lot of wires like for monitors. I need to get new monitors. Uh, some form of like HDMI cables or USB-C cables because I got a thing from Samsung that I paid I think like $60 for. It's a good deal. It's a splitter, and it's hard to I can't really show it right now because it's plugged in, but it's a splitter for my USB-C laptop or my USB-C on my laptop. It it has a it plugs in, and then the splitter has a another USB-C, HDMI, and another USB on it. So I'm able to connect. I can connect another monitor, but I need another. Oh, I should get another splitter. I don't know how that works. Because if the splitter, if it has a USB-C and then it has another USB-C, technically I can just create a chain of them and have, but I don't know how many display ports. I know my laptop can handle 3 monitors, and so 4 total, including the laptop screen. But I don't know how many more it can handle. Because I know it all you only need, yeah, I do. I got my main one here, and one here. But trust me, I use a lot of monitors. Nah, it isn't an over. For me, it isn't over. When it comes to programming, for me, I'm always looking around, and I'm always needing something open. Like this. Like so right now, I I could have a monitor. I could have another monitor with my code open right here, and then have this monitor with this, and then on the side here, I got my monitor for like me looking things up and all, like for researching, because I have a web browser for all that. And then my my main monitor, laptop screen with the stream open, so I can see the chat and whatever else there is. Yeah, that's what I also need. I need, uh, definitely when I do move, I'm getting 2 PCs. There's no doubt. I need only have a streaming game. Uh, yeah, I need like 2 PCs. Like I'm gonna have a good setup. I just need to wait, start getting paid. But it's gonna be crazy setup. I don't know if I'm gonna. I'll probably do a build. I'll have to see. I don't know much about building PCs, but I could just get a pre-built for temporary, and then on the side, yeah. Well, it's not gonna be right now. It's you can buy built. You can buy a built PC easily, but if you want to build it yourself, that's gonna be more difficult, especially if you're trying to get like a 3080. But because my friends, the new the stimulus check, they like 3 of them bought a PC, so they got it like 2 weeks ago, so it's crazy. Like they're pre-built though. Takes longer if you want to build it yourself, because you gotta find all the pieces. Um, I'm gonna get back to this though. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. If we merge, I don't understand what's going on here. If it includes 1, like so, theoretically, if I merge this and this should be here. This and this should be a new layer here. But it messes it up. And it messes it up to 1, 2, and 3. So it doesn't rename the, well, that was that. It goes 1, 0, 1, 3. If it's not deleting, if it's not deleting 3, now it deletes 2, but it doesn't delete window 3. Or does it? Next to would be length, and which length is 3, which is why it does that. Which is, wait, that means it's wrong then. It's, wait, which one has 2 images? First one has 2. It's deleting 2. Next to equals new array. Next to equals length. I gotta look at this again. Something about this doesn't make sense. It does make sense, but I need to look at it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, so the thing is, if I'm merging this layer and this layer, we are, let me get a text box open or whatever. Notepad open. Because if I can merge, if I merge layers 2 and 4 on here, window. One, 2, 3, 4. So 2 and 4. It should do keep 1 and keeps 1 and 3. That means here this makes sense because we're deleting layer Z. We're not deleting the layer that we're clicking on. Z equals array copy splice. Wait, what? If the first layer isn't the reason that layer 1 can't be changed. Okay, how did I? This doesn't make sense here. Delete window layer Z. Array copy 0. Merging these layers 0. Okay, wait, yeah, that makes sense because and then we splice array copy. So if we did this, console.log z, we're splicing I did this. We saw it was want it all. I want it all. I want it all. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. It kept 1 and 3. But it's supposed to make a new one. It kept 1 and 3. It's supposed to make a new one next to length. It's supposed to make a new one. But it didn't rename them. It didn't rename them. I have a feeling that maybe because I don't exactly get it. Watch, because I'm gonna stop streaming right now. But as soon as I stop streaming, I swear to God, it is going to. I'm gonna figure it out. That shit gonna be annoying as hell. I want it all. I want it all. I want it all. Alright, but you know, like, even if I do figure it out after I stream, I think it has to do with the deleting the layer thing. Because it creates the next layer. Current layer, I feel it's not... It definitely has to do with that. It definitely has to do with that. But we'll probably figure it out. I know for sure. And then the other thing with the... Yeah, we'll figure it out for sure. But let's raid Token Black. He's streaming some Yu-Gi-Oh! So I'll be streaming maybe tomorrow, depending on if I have a lot of no, I won't be streaming tomorrow. I'll be streaming on Tuesday. Because tomorrow I'm gonna be doing my homework assignment. Because it's like 150 points. That shit crazy. So yeah, go check out Token Black. We're gonna be streaming him. And yeah, let's go.
Austin, what's up, man? Appreciate you. I'm not getting the notifications for some reason. I don't know what's going on. Response is up. Okay, response. Anything? 2 worm monsters. You can discard 1 card, then target 1 worm monster in your graveyard special summon it. So you're gonna use the same dude who just uses summon this guy. Okay. Also, during the turn, you cannot activate the effects of monster special summon from the extra